So last time when we talked, you gave us an estimate, that the gold prices may hit 1,50,000 rupees, per 10
Mhm.
grams. And now they
Yeah,
are hovering around 1,40,000. So your forecast is, is going to meet the target. So,
yeah.
so sir, what's new in gold market?
See, the prices are continuously going up because of the interest rates going down across the world. Yesterday, even Bank of England have reduced the interest rate, and in the coming in the next month again, it will come in the US also, Fed Republic. So all this is happening. A lot of geopolitical situation is driving the gold prices higher. But I think I don't know. People are saying it may go beyond $5,000, but still it's Christmas and the market participants are very low, so the prices are erratically fluctuating. So we have to see from January 3rd or 4th onwards, once the full players come in, how the gold prices, because anything that goes up, any market, anything that goes up has to come down a little bit. So maybe for the next 2 months, because Russia and Ukraine are also very serious in settling down. So there are peace talks happening. And if that happens, and also between India and US also, the trade tariff talks are going on. And if that settles, these two subjects get settled, and if there is no major issues, prices may correct for some time. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting.
So how much correction can we say?
We can see 10 to 15% correction. That's all, nothing more than that.
And what could be the window of it?
Uh, we have to see because first 3 months, this is my prediction. After the month of April, we have to see how it goes.
Okay. So till
Yeah.
April, we can see a correction.
Yeah, yes, of course. I don't think it goes beyond this. Let's see how the other situations develop. That also depends on this. The tariffs they have been saying for the last 2 months. Because see, the reason why I'm talking about tariffs is if there is a settlement between US and India, the rupee will strengthen. So that will also bring down the gold prices. Even if the gold prices in dollars are not coming down, rupee will appreciate by 4-5%. That itself will be a big difference. So that's the main reason I'm talking about the tariffs.
Okay.
If it settles down, prices will correct.
Right. So given the current condition of rupee depreciation, we are, going below 90. So how is it impacting gold?
Yeah, because it is connected. See, we don't have mining in our country, and every gram is imported, so it comes through foreign exchange. So that's why whenever the rupee depreciates, the gold prices goes up, and it has adversely impacted our sales also. Everywhere the sales have been impacted. Last 15 days, if you see after the price rise and rupee depreciation, sales have come down below 50% in spite of Christmas, New Year holidays, people walking in, a lot of NRIs coming in. But still, there's not much of reaction to gold prices. Exchange is happening. People are very happy bringing in their old gold and buying. But new purchases, only if there is a marriage, they're struggling to buy.
Means the
That's what is happening.
regular purchase is hampered,
Yeah.
but the forced purchase like marriage, that is happening.
Yes.
Okay.
That you can't stop it. So people who haven't bought, last minute buyers, they are suffering and having a hell of a time because today, see here we call it a sovereign. One sovereign is almost a lakh of rupees in 22 carat, which is too expensive for the customer when they want to buy something of 8 grams. That comes to lakh and 20 with value additions and GST. So that's
Okay.
the issue.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, sir, given this, rupee depreciation and this falling demand, imports will be shrunken this year? Will it impact the imports as well?
Yeah, of course. Even last month, if you see the month of November, the imports have come down by almost 60%, more than 60%. So definitely, even this month, it's going to reflect the same. And January, maybe because of the wedding season, it may go up a little bit. But if the prices stabilize around this, I think till March, it's going to be the same way. Imports will come down drastically.
How much fall can we expect, in this financial year?
See, this financial year overall, we can expect 40% fall.
40% fall.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
it's already last month, it's been 60%, and this month will be again 60%. Next 3 months to go. So whatever has happened last 7, 8 months, now the average will come down. So easily about between 25 and 40% is what my expectation is.
Okay. So, sir, you are expecting, that prices may correct by 10 to 15%, till April, if,
Yeah,
situation remains same on geopolitical grounds. So during
yeah.
that time, do you think there would be a rise in local demand or a rise in imports because of the prices fall?
No, because of the wedding season, people will come forward, and even a 10-15% fall also will attract new buyers. Because people who wanted to buy at 1,20,000, now it is 1,40,000. When it comes back to 125, they all will come forward to buy. A lot of investment also will come forward, because weddings that's going to happen in 2027, they will also invest, because predictions are it will go to 1.5, 2 lakhs like that. So people who are in panic can buy. Yeah.
What's the situation in global market in gold?
Gold everywhere it is very slow. Even Dubai market is very slow. Singapore is very slow. US market also is slow. Gold pickup has been very slow. Sales has been going down.
Sales is
Because it's
going.
too high, unimaginable price, almost 75, 80% price has gone up from last year. So a little bit more, it will be double. People can't afford in 12 months double the price. So that's the reason.
So the story is more or less same in silver also. It's 2 lakh rupees per kg. It's record high.
Yeah.
So what is holding for silver also as well?
I think silver is yeah, unimaginable prices. People can't afford to buy silver lamps also today. Only people who are high net worth, they can go for something. But even safeguarding this at home is becoming very difficult, because the prices has jumped. In 2 years, if you see, silver is triple. See, even the silver plates people are using at home, silver glasses, they need to safeguard it, because the prices have become so expensive. Anybody can flick it, because one small plate also, it fetches them a huge money for them. So silver demand is also going down. But luckily silver jewelry demand is going up, so a lot of people are going for silver jewelry. So that way silver consumption will continue to maintain. But silver articles of higher value and all that are slowly going down.
Okay, so what's the major factor why the prices in bullion are skyrocketing?
Everybody going for the metal. Dollar, the confidence in the dollar is going down, and China is dominating the world market now. So everybody is having a doubt how the dollar is going to perform in the coming year, and the doubt is also there about the U.S. economy, and major thing is Trump. President Trump, every day he speaks something, and the market reacts. So next 3 years is going to be very tough time for the dollar.
Okay,
Till Trump is there, a dollar is not going to be steady, and gold prices are not going to be steady.
all right. So
Yeah.
what could be the price forecast for silver? Is it 3? Is it 4?
Silver has gone beyond imagination, so we are not able to say anything. Whatever, see, everybody predicted $50, $55. Now it is almost $72. We don't know whether, because nobody has seen these prices, so we don't know whether it will go up or come down. Normally, in 1979, when the silver prices went up, and also again in 2011, when the prices went up, it corrected and came back to the old prices. But here, it's just jumping from $20 2 years back, $25. Now it has gone to $40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 70, which is too high. And beyond this, I don't know. Beyond this, if silver goes up, I think all of us can sell the silver and make that money. Instead of just having it as silver articles in the shop and seeing it every day, rather than calculating its value. If it touches $100, I would be the first person to sell my silver and keep it a FD, that will fetch us more income.
Okay. But sir, as
Yeah.
we are, expecting a correction in gold, can we expect a correction in silver also?
Yeah, of course. Silver has to come back to $50. Because there is no reason for the people say there is a lot of demand, industrial demand for silver. That has been always there. Industrial demand has always been there, and a few say China is piling up silver, so they want to restrict silver. They don't want to export silver, and all these rumors are making the prices fluctuate. So if all this settles down, silver has to come back at least because we were expecting 40, but now with this increase, we can only expect it can come back to 50, 55.
Uh, Sir, what it
Because
could be
when
in terms
gold
of Indian
corrects, the silver
rupees?
also will correct.
Okay. So by the same
Silver,
range?
lakh and 50,000. Yeah, yes. Lakh and 50 to lakh and 70,000 rupees. Now it
Okay.
is 2 lakhs 40,000 rupees. Yeah.
Okay. So are we import driven in silver, or do we produce in our
Yeah,
country?
yes, yes. Silver, we don't have mining at all. Unfortunately, gold and silver is not mined in our country, so every gram is imported, whether it is gold or silver or platinum, everything comes from abroad only.
Everything under the
That's
bullion
the
basket.
disadvantage. But yeah.
Okay, okay. Sir, because the prices are skyrocketing in gold and silver. So, what's the situation in the digital gold? Because the people around me, they are buying, digital gold nowadays so much.
Yeah. A lot of people are investing in digital gold also, but mostly if you see their portfolio, the percentage they're shifting it to silver. It's not a common public who are going into digi gold, not most of them, but it's always been the investors who have been investing in shares and other things. They're also creating a portfolio for gold and silver. That's what is happening. And every time they talk about it when prices rise, but then nothing happens.
Is it same?
All these years, that's what.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, is it same in gold ETF also?
Yeah, gold ETF, there's a lot of demand at present because the prices are going up. A lot of inflow is there, and if there is a larger correction, then there will be outflow, bigger outflow. But it all depends on how the conditions are going to be for the next 2, 3 months.
All right. Sir,
Yeah.
one more thing, because we are dealing with the metals bullion, obviously, and there is another metal which comes into the base metals category, but the prices are also soaring in that part. I'm talking about the
Yeah.
copper, and people
Yeah.
do also track copper to gold ratio. Yeah, so
Yes, now people are saying copper is the next big thing like silver. But
yeah,
I'm not, because we are not into copper, so I cannot predict. But what I heard and what I read is they say copper is going to be the next silver.
yeah, okay,
Anyway, all the metals are going up, so people are investing in a lot of metals now. The confidence in dollar has gone down, so everybody is shifting, and a lot of people feel there is a bubble in the equity market in US, so anytime it can burst. And in China also, the real estate market is in a very bad shape. That may also correct, they say. So that's going on for the last 1 year, but nothing has happened. So if something like that happens, again the prices may go up. If everything settles down, prices can correct. Yeah.
okay. In copper also.
Yes.
Okay, so means we can expect a correction in the coming year.
Yeah. Yes. We hope
Okay,
so.
sir, any
Only
idea
then the
about?
retail business will pick up. We have a hope that prices will correct gold and silver so that the retail business will improve. Otherwise, it will be a big beating for all the big corporates who have invested so much and hundreds of showrooms and all that. If the business is not going to happen, it will have a thrashing. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Sir, last question. Do you have idea about the gold to copper ratio?
No, I have no experience in gold to copper.
Okay.
Yeah.
So given this hefty, value in terms of rupees of imports in gold and silver, so do you see any support from the government?
Thank God that they don't increase the customs duty because foreign exchange is getting affected. Balance of payment is also drastically changes. But We at say I've been the past chairman of All India Gem and Jewelry Domestic Council. So right from many years, all our chairmen have been representing to the government to activate the gold bonds. But government is very slow. If they do that, a lot of uh, gold that is sleeping in the lockers will come to the government, and our imports can reduce. We are still representing. We continue to represent, but hope government one day it opens its eyes and looks into it. Gold
So,
deposit scheme.
okay. But sir, what's the current import duty of in gold?
Current is 6%.
6%. So do you want a cut
Yeah.
in it?
Yeah, yes, of course. They need to bring it back to 1% or 0%, like what it was 2013.
Okay. To
2012, 13, the duty was only 1%. So if that happens, there won't be any smuggling happening. Yeah.
so it will help in reducing the local prices and increasing the
Yeah.
demand.
Yes.
All
And
right.
it will
All
affect
right.
the balance of payment. It will go back to the government. So it's better they remain the same rather than waking up and asking for lesser duty, and then they'll say so much of gold is coming, so much of funds are going out. So why not we increase the duty? So it's better we keep quiet.
All right, sir. It was
That's where we
wonderful
stand.
talking to you. You gave us very
Yeah.
nice insights. And sir, I was just confirming one thing. You are talking from Chennai.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. And you are the chairman in Gold, Gems and Jewelry.
No, no, I'm the past chairman of All India Gem and Jewelry Domestic Council.
Okay. Are you currently holding any position there? Are you the
No, no,
still
no, no,
member?
no, no, just a past chairman. Yeah, yeah, I continue to be the member, and I'm also the past chairman.
All
They
right. All
come to
right.
us for all advices.
All right.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for talking to us, sir. Thank you. Bye
Jai
bye.
Shri Ram.